Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple rice dish called pot rice, also known as mun fan. Now to make mun fan, all you need is rice. I'm going to use extra long ginger, about an inch or so, one large carrot which I've diced, 300 grams chicken, mushrooms. Now these are shiitake mushrooms which I've soaked. I'm going to use 5 spice powder, peanut oil, light soy, dark soy, and of course oyster sauce. I'll also be adding chicken seasoning to season my rice. Let's begin. I've taken a large pot. I'm going to heat my pot, and once the pot is heated, I'm going to add oil. So once the oil heats up in my pot, I'm going to add the aromatics, which is just ginger. Once the ginger is fried a little, I'm going to add the chicken, and I'm going to just lightly fry the chicken. I'm not going to brown it, neither am I going to cook it. I'm just going to mix it slightly in oil and then add my other ingredients. So now I've added my shiitake mushrooms and my carrot as well to the chicken and ginger. Now as you can see, I've added the 5 spice powder. I've added about half a teaspoon. Oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons. Light soy, 1 teaspoon, and dark soy, about a tablespoon. After that, I've added my rice. I'm using around half a kilo rice, 500 grams. Once I've fried my rice for a while, I'm going to then add water. Now first I'm going to add the juice of the mushroom. Remember, we can soak the mushroom in. And then add water. So now what I've done is I've ensured that I've filled up the water just about half an inch above the rice. Okay, and I'm going to add my seasoning. About a tablespoon of chicken seasoning powder. The rice needs to be seasoned well. And then I'm going to once there is a boil, once the water starts boiling, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the flame. I'm going to turn the flame to very low and let it cook slowly. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes for the rice to cook then. Alright then. As you can see, the rice has started boiling. I'm going to put the lid now and turn on the flame to the lowest and allow it to steam for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Please keep checking and seeing if the rice is cooked and the water has dried or not. Okay? So the rice was steaming for the next 10 minutes and now it's all ready. I can see it's all ready. You can see the water is all dried out. I'm going to allow it to steam in its own steam for the next 5 minutes before I serve. So my mun fan is now all ready. I left it in its own steam for the next 5 minutes and now it's ready to eat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to serve it. To garnish it, I may use a little bit of spring onion or maybe cilantro, any garnish of my choice, and I'm going to add that. Friends, the rice is now ready to eat. I'm going to serve this for dinner. So you've seen the recipe is so easy, not stressful at all. So on a tired day when you come back from work and you do not have time to cook, just gather ingredients like carrots and you could use some other vegetables also, and mushrooms and just chicken, and mix it all in one pot and make this rice. It's so easy to eat, it's so easy to prepare and delicious to eat. I'm sure you're going to try this at home and Do let me know if you liked my recipe. Subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Also the bell icon so that you can get future notification about my next recipe. Alright then, thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this dish at home and you will love it. Alright, goodbye.